Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to vote to list batch 2 on Binance. It's very easy. First you can open your Binance apps and you can scroll down, and as you can see there is vote option, vote tab like this. You can click it, and as you can see there is vote to list. You can read the terms and condition. As you can see, each user can vote for up to 5 projects, and then user must be logged into their verified Binance account. So you have to have verified Binance account and hold a minimum of at least 0.01 BNB. So if you don't have BNB yet, you can just buy it at least 0.01 BNB. And then for vote period, it start on the 2nd of April until the 9th April. And yeah, these are the projects. You can see there is virtuals, big time, and also plum. You can choose up to 5. Let's say I want for 3 of them like this one, and also you can see the projects account, and like this too. I will select grass and then like that and just confirm it, and please confirm your vote. I will click vote, and that's it, and you can see the result also. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.